I just want to let you guys know, worship is one of the most important elements of God's heart. Without worship, we cannot enter into the presence of God. God shows us throughout the Word is that we must enter into prophetic worship. God has a call for the young generation, for this new worship. It's a sound in the earth, a sound that most people don't hear because they don't stay in the presence of God. Worship is not an instrument. Worship is not a song. Worship is a lifestyle of holiness. It's a lifestyle that you live and you will see God move in His glory. He says, arise and shine in Isaiah 60. He said, because your light has come. He said, because the glory of the Lord is upon you. Why? For the deep darkness. The glory of the Lord is only produced in the presence of God through worship. Make worship your lifestyle. Understand the passion that God has for you in an intimate place. I pray one day I get to talk to you and share with you because I love worship. Because I've watched people get healed, delivered, set free. Young people go for God when the sound is from heaven. And that sound can only be heard by those who are in the presence of God. I love you dearly. Looking forward to seeing you. Bye.